Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Kifs Crypto. Now, today we're going to be looking at an exchange trading platform called PrimeXBT. Now, we did look at this in the past, maybe about 4 years ago. But because this channel is dedicated to looking at what new platforms are out there or what the old platforms have been doing and how they've changed, and I think it's time to take a look at PrimeXBT. Now, over the next few weeks and months, we're going to be going through a range of these trading platforms, cryptocurrency exchanges. We're going to do a whole dedicated series to that. PrimeXBT is one of the most talked about platforms at the moment. So let's get straight into it. So this is the PrimeXBT website. Right, as you can see, first off, they've been around since 2018. They primarily focus on futures. They've got 1 million plus users. They're available in 150 plus countries and over 100 tradable assets. The mission is to make PrimeXBT a global leader in online trading for any financial market, from cryptocurrency to commodities. And they want their brand to be synonymous with innovation and quality, and to build upon a reputation as a trusted and reliable trader. Down here you have all the core values. Over here you will see this is what the trading platform looks like. I'm going to give you the pros and cons at the end of this video, but I will tell you that PrimeXBT focuses solely on derivatives and futures trading. They have a wide range of products. You can trade indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, Forex, and you can go up to 200x on leverage. Now that is reserved for Forex only. Cryptocurrency is 100x. Now, if you're new to trading, they do have the option of demo trading. And if you are new to trading, I would highly recommend that you start off on a demo account. You're going to make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. As you trade, you might as well make the mistake in a demo account. Up across here, you got your futures. Over here, they have a very innovative feature, which few platforms have now, is copy trading. And across here you got your rewards, different contests, and more. Now there is stuff here that you don't see with a lot of the other platforms. One of them is analysis, but I like the market research here. If you click on that, brings you into this section here, and this is essentially the economic calendar, stuff to be watching out for before you put your trades on. And they got your daily technical analysis down here. This was for yesterday, and they were focused on Ripple, XRP. And even if you don't understand technical analysis or you're new to trading, it's good to be reading this because it's going to give you a insight into what other traders are doing. And speaking of the markets, we have a quick look at how they're doing today. You'll see that Bitcoin is at 94,300. Ethereum is at 3,246. And XRP is 236. Now go back over to the PrimeXBT platform and you'll see this is BTC in the 5-minute window. Now in here you've got a range of tools that you should be utilizing before you put any trade on. But what I would advise to do if you are trading BTC, pull this up on TradingView, compare the charts, just to make sure everything is in order. And as I said, here is a range of markets. You got your CFDs, your crypto, and your Forex over there. Now, I would like to take this opportunity right now to showcase this page. This is my sign up link. If you utilize this to sign up to PrimeXBT, you're going to get 20% deposit bonus. That is a limited time offer. The link is in the description. And if, as I said, if you do sign up, I would appreciate if you utilize that link. And you can get a bonus of up to $7,000, depending on how much you deposit initially. It takes a second to sign up, and once you're signed up, you can start taking advantage of all of those offers. Now, if you're worried about liquidity, Not a problem with PrimeXBT. It has absolutely tons and tons of liquidity. It's no problem getting trades on here. And that's something you want to be watching out for in other platforms also, because not all of them have the liquidity that you need. You're going to be missing trades. But as I said, with PrimeXBT, that is not a problem. Other things you want to be looking out for is your risk management tools, stop losses, take profits, that kind of thing, because you don't want to be letting trades run without being able to close them out when exactly you need to. And if the trade is doing well, you want to be able to take profits on that. Over here, you have your copy trading. As I was talking to, this is the list of people, and this is the total returns or in their lifetime, and this is the total returns of today. Activity is 453 days. It's pretty good. And you got our ratings over there. And that was there before. And over the next couple of weeks, you'll see me returning to PrimeXBT because I'm going to be putting together a copy trading portfolio. Over here, you got different strategies, contests. All the different contests are here, and they have. Now, this is something that really makes them stand out from a lot of platforms. They got the MetaTrader 5 on this. Now, if you're an experienced trader, you're going to know what that is, but you also know that it is not readily available on a lot of the cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, you're going to have to excuse me today, suffering very badly with a chest infection, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys because I think it's important that people have a look at PrimeXBT. And one final thing, they do have a very, very good community. They got 1 million active users around the world. And if you want to join their community, they have Telegram. They got Telegram announcers, and they have a Twitter. And just have a look at their Twitter. They've got almost 500,000 followers. And yes, they're regular posters with good engagement. So guys, that's PrimeXBT. Look, all these exchanges look pretty much the same. And they are visually often very similar. The thing is, you got to be looking out for what's underneath the bonnet. Now, the pros and cons with PrimeXBT, and these are things that some exchanges won't have, but they've got multi-asset trading. PrimeXBT isn't just for crypto. You can diversify your portfolio with traditional markets like gold, oil, Forex, all from the same account. They do have the high leverage options up to 200x on Forex and 100x on cryptocurrencies. The copy trading is a nice feature that allows you to copy other people that have been doing well in the markets, that are successful and know what they're at. It takes a lot of the responsibility away from you. You still have the responsibility to make sure you follow the right people, but it is a time saver. Now, whether you're a newbie or you've been in the space for a long time, you'll notice one thing about PrimeXBT, and that is the simplicity and the cleanness of the platform. You've got all the charting tools you need, but at the same time, it is not overwhelming. Now, another pro, compared to other platforms, PrimeXBT's fees are very, very competitive, and that's another thing you have to be looking out for. See, as I said, there's a lot of hidden things that you need to be aware of when you're signing up to these platforms. PrimeXBT's fees are absolutely spot on. No problems at all there. I suppose finally, one of the things you also need to be looking out for is their support. What kind of support they have? PrimeXBT has 24-hour support. Bang. It is super, super quick. Now, it wouldn't be a review unless we looked at the cons also. There are some cons here. Primarily the lack of altcoins. It hasn't the biggest range of altcoins, but that's because they've diversified into other markets. The high leverage, although that's available to everyone nowadays, yes, just you got to be very, very careful. Experienced traders even will not go anywhere near 100x. So people new coming into the space should be very, very careful also. So overall, is PrimeXBT worth it? Well, if you're an active trader looking for a multi-asset exposure, high leverage, and innovative features like the copy trading, it's going to be a fantastic platform for you. If you're looking for tons and tons of altcoins and the latest release in altcoins, it's probably not going to be for you. But I actually like that side of things. I hate sometimes when you just want to trade your basic assets and the platform is totally overwhelmed with absolute shitcoins. So, what do you guys think of Prime XBT? Let me know in the comments box below. Have you already signed up? Have you tried it out in the past? I mean, as I said, it was 4 years ago since we looked at this. Definitely come a long way since then. In fact, 4 years ago wasn't that bad either, but it just seems to be far more professional now. And I think it is definitely worth checking out. As I said, there is a link in the description. Head over, check them out, grab that bonus. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it, go on ahead and hit the dislike button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.